Hey guys, this is the Hoover Dam, just outside of Las Vegas in Nevada in the United States. This dam project was very, very important to the region for reasons you're going to tell me. Notice how the water is actually quite low in the dam itself. You can see the difference in colour. The white sections, like a white seam or strata, and that's simply showing us where the water line originally or was or should be. So you can tell from that there's not been a lot of rainfall, and I can tell you that it is about 42 degrees centigrade at the moment. It is boiling hot, and so water out in this desert region of America is very, very important to sustain life.